you talk to data leaders, what do you hear most often as being the biggest blocker?
Yeah, this one's really interesting because you look at these five choices. These five choices, I think, and maybe Adam can confirm, David, you can confirm. I think we've been talking about these same challenges, whether it's an AI workload, a data warehousing workload, a data application workload, like these things are continuing to repeat. What has been for me lately the biggest one? I'm gonna wrap it under data quality and governance because I think with AI today you've got a lot of challenges beyond just getting the data right. So I can have really good data quality, but if my governance around that AI assistant or that AI agent or that AI workflow is not where it needs to be, then I could have perfect data quality and still kind of have things break down. So I'm going to pick that one. That's my vote for today.